Welcome to the Colorful Life channel. Today we will explore the painful journey of a single mother who went to work and unfortunately was swept away by floodwaters, leaving behind a very unfortunate child. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please subscribe, like, and share the channel with your friends. The footage begins with the child crying desperately by the stream, unable to find the mother who has been swept away by the flood. The child walks down the stream and starts wading across to the other side. In a distant place, the mother is drifting in the rushing water. It is heartbreaking for both her and the child. The majestic mountains seem to mourn for the child. The child is crying desperately by the stream along with the bamboo basket left by the mother. The child begins to walk along the stream in search of their mother, crying pitifully as they go. The scene is truly heart-wrenching. Somewhere far away, the mother is being carried away by the floodwaters. The child remains unaware that the mother has been swept away, continuing to search for her. Calling for her mother in a desperate manner, it is truly sad for this child. The child continues alone along the stream to find their mother, with no one coming to help this child. Now the child has calmed down, no longer crying desperately, still calling for the mother to see if she can hear her response. It is frightening for the child to be searching along the stream alone, completely unaware that the mother has been swept away by the flood. After walking along the riverbank for a while, the child finally came to a deserted stretch of road. The child kept walking in search of her mother. After a long time, the child found her way back to her village. The mother was still floating on the floodwaters, with no one to see her and help her to the shore. She was stuck by the creek. The child had been walking barefoot for a long time, and now sharp thorns had pierced her feet. The child came across a stretch of road and picked up a plastic bottle to hold drinking water. She continued walking and reached a pile of concrete where she climbed up and rested. Now the child thought that her mother might be working somewhere far away and had not returned yet. Next to this pile of concrete was a lush cornfield. Now a person on a motorcycle passed by, and the child looked to see if it was her mother. Unfortunately, it was not. The child continued on her way, searching for her mother and hoping to find her. At one point, the child saw something lying by the roadside. She picked it up and realized it was food. The child sat down by the road, unwrapped what she had found, and began to eat it, as she was very hungry. It was heartbreaking for this child, as now her mother was gone. How would she survive? The child still longed for her mother to return. Although many people passed by, not one stopped to ask or help this child. People truly are heartless. The child continued to sit there, waiting for her mother and eating the candies that people had thrown on the road. After sitting and waiting for a long time without seeing her mother return, the little girl felt sad and continued to search for her mother. It is unknown whether the child found her mother or not. To find out, stay tuned for the next video to see how the child reunites with her mother. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to catch the latest videos.